Hey guys, Ben here from the Fibreglass factory. Today I want to talk to you about customising this Hornet scoop. But before we do, if you could do us a favour and hit the subscribe button, that'd be fantastic. So, we've made some serious modifications to this scoop. Well, not too serious, but we did widen it by about 40 mil and we raised it up by about 20 mil as well for customer specifications. It's actually quite a lot of work just to do some small mods, but basically the way you go about it is you put a cut through the middle of the original scoop and then you get some bits of scrap wood or bits of scrap fiberglass or something, and then you hot glue stitches along the edge into the exact shape that you want. Then you flip it back over and you fiberglass the inside. So we've fiberglassed the join in there, and we did the same around the edge. We propped it up into position and then we fiberglassed that. And then the way we go about it on the outside is we'll take those stitches away and then we'll V into where those sharp joins are, and then we'll fiberglass all that. And then it's at the filler work, and that's where we're at now. So it's all about shape. So cut it, pull it out to the exact shape that you want, put your stitches or somehow fix it to the shape that you want it to. That could be done by flipping it over on the bench and screwing it to the bench, as long as you can somehow get the screws out. If you put some plasticine in the heads of the screws, you can fiberglass over it, get into those screws, pull them out once the fiberglass has gone off, and then you've got your new shape, and that's where we're at now. So hopefully that's helpful. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See ya.